Hey there, everyone! Today, I'm going to walk you through the process of making a captivating float-down text animation using CapCut PC. Let's dive in. First off, add a background to your timeline and adjust its opacity to your preference. Head over to the Text tab, insert default text, create a new text layer, and type in the text you want to use. Get creative with the text effect to make it uniquely yours. Now, let's focus on adding some animation magic. Go to the Animation section and look for the Float Down animation under the Animations. Simply click to apply this animation to your text. Fine-tune the duration to match your desired effect perfectly. And there you have it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for tuning in.